Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to enable shipping labels on Shopify. First, go to the Shopify and make sure you log it in. Then, click on Settings from the bottom left corner. Now, click on Shipping and Delivery. Here, scroll down to see all the shipping and delivery options. Keep scrolling until you find sections like Custom Shipping Rates, Auto Fulfillment, and Packing Slips. Below that, you'll find the Shipping Labels section. If you've already added a carrier and upgraded your Shopify plan, you'll see your shipping carrier listed here. Once your carrier is connected, the shipping label option will appear. Now, you can click on Print. The label will open in a PDF format. Just open it and print it easily using your printer. That's it, your shipping labels are ready to use. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.